everyone! Today we have an exciting product to introduce you to, the R280 vacuum sealer from the REVACU family. This fantastic nozzle vacuum sealer is compatible with smooth vacuum bags, allowing you to save on costs and conveniently seal any bag right in your kitchen. Now let's take a closer look at how to use the R280 vacuum sealer. Just like its predecessor, the R270, the R280 doesn't require you to set a vacuum time. You only need to set the sealing time. Adjust the sealing time according to the thickness of your bag. If you're using our 80 micron bags like the ones provided, a sealing time of 4 seconds should work perfectly. First, insert the nozzle inside the vacuum bag, making sure the bag lies flat to ensure a smooth sealing process. Now it's time to start the vacuuming process. Just like the R270 model, you can begin the sealing process when the vacuum is tight enough. Simply press the sealing button to initiate the sealing. However, with the R280 model, there's a convenient upgrade. You no longer need to hold the sealing bar manually. The machine automatically seals the bag tightly for you. Once the process is complete, you'll hear a series of beep sounds, indicating that your food is now perfectly sealed and ready to go. And there you have it, a beautifully sealed pack of food, thanks to the R280 vacuum sealer. It's that simple and efficient. The R280 vacuum sealer is suitable for both wet foods like seafood and meat, as well as dry foods like beans and rice. It includes a canister for storing excess liquids, so vacuuming wet food is a breeze. Additionally, it is compatible with regular smooth plastic bags, which not only helps save on bag costs, but also makes it easier to find suitable bags. The machine features a wide 4mm sealing width, ensuring a secure seal for your bags after sealing. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team. Thank you and see you again!